Alrighty guys, we got 3 fig trees from one from Tinkerbugfigs. Go check him out, tinkerbugfigs.com, and 2 from Big Bill over at Off the Beaten Path Nursery. These are some cuttings I couldn't find. Let's open them up and see what we got. Alrighty guys, it is windy today, so I'm gonna need to get these guys inside under some just sunlight through the window. Let them acclimate and rest up. They've been on a long journey. But these 2 figs come from Off the Beaten Path Nursery. You can find them at offthebeatenpathnursery.com. Can't say that. And they're really in great shape, these 2 trees. This is my long day out. And what is this? Is Teramo unknown, I think? Or Teramo, I don't know. I don't think there's, oh, here it is. I believe this is my Teramo. Yeah. And then we have our Neruciollo, I think it's called D'alba from Tinkerbugfigs, which looks awesome and have some more room to grow. And it's really green and some nice leaves. So these are 2 great places, guys, to get figs. Just a quick unboxing. I couldn't find these cuttings. Ooh, see that wind's a little tough. I gotta get these inside. Couldn't find these cuttings anywhere during the fall, and I really wanted to get a head start on these varieties, so I purchased them from these 2 nurseries, and I have nothing but good things to say. Really quick video, guys. Just wanted to put this out there and update you guys on what's going on. I mean, it's nice outside, it's sunny, so things are waking up. I got another fig tree waking up, but just want to let you know what's going on, guys. Stay safe and be tuned. Stay tuned for a ton more videos coming out in about the next couple weeks as weather gets warmer. Peace.